So today we are going to see one problem which was asked in previous InfyTQ exam. So the problem statement is very simple. So this is how the input is given in form of a dictionary where a string is given with numbers and there will be many such dictionary keys, and output is given of keys where the sum of all digits square if even the string in the key of word will rotate in left side by 2, and if it is odd the string to the left will rotate to the right as shown here. So the sum of all digits square is even in here. So CD last two digits rotated towards the left of the string, and the sum of the all digits of squares in this case is odd. So the B from the left side of the string rotated to the right side of it. You can see this C D G F H F B. So this is what we are going to write code for. So we have to take input. So I'll just create a variable string equals to we just take input. So as we take input, I'm going to directly split by commas and make it a list. So I'll just write split. So as I'm splitting, it will be getting in list for I in the one. I'll be mapping it to the strings. So I'll write map str. Again, I'll convert it to list. Okay. So we have made a list of this where our first element in list will be ABCD 1 2 3 4. Second element will be GFHF 1 2 7 8 3 6 SDHS. Now I have to take this element and this element separate. So I'm going to use what is called list comprehension. So I'll create a new list. I'll I for I in the list which we are giving string. So basically it takes one element. So in that I want to split it with the help of the colons. So I'm going to split it, and again I'm going to convert it in form of list. So I'll just map it again and list. Okay. So I'll just produce the new so you can understand. I'll just take input from in here. Okay. Okay. We just messed up with the map. It will work now, I think, probably. Okay. So you can see this is list inside list where we got two elements. So for this, what am I going to do? For I in new. So this is our new list. So for I in new means this list. Okay. For I in this list, which we call new. For I in this list, which we call new, we have to take a word and a number. So I give a two variables which we'll call number, and the first one we'll call as word. Okay, so indexing will get the number and the word. Okay, so now what we'll do here, we'll check if the sum of all digits square is even or odd. Means I want 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus 4 square. And we'll sum it up and check whether it is even or not. So I'll use one more list comparison, that is I for I in number, uh, which will iterate through all the digits in this number, and I'm just going to convert it into int again, square it, and take its sum using the sum function. Okay, and using the sum function also we can check it right away, so I'm going to check this also here only. Going to create modulo so we understand if it's even or not. So if it is even, the check will be 0, and if it is odd, the check will be greater than 0, I think. So if check is equal to 0, then the number is even. So I'm just going to create another list. I'll tell why I did this later. Okay, so we are just going to append this list uh, with the rotation. So rotation will be word. I think it would be the back string is going to rotate. So we have to take the slice from which we will get C and D. So it is from -2 will take everything, plus will get word which is from first to -2. Okay, so I hope you understand this sliced part. Else we are just going to rotate or rotate the string and append it in result. Okay, now we are going to rotate it to right. So we are going to take from first string uh, till everything at the back side, and we are going to just add the first string in it, and we are going to iterate it through this loop, take all the answers which it has given, which is cd. We will get cd in the list, cdgfhf in the list, and sdjs in the list. So I'm going to show you how we'll get the list. I'm just printing the last list we will be getting in here. So okay, we'll be getting this. So I'm just going to add an asterisk here, so we'll get output as desired. So C. Okay, we get space separated values in here. So as you can see, our input is a b c d 1 2 3, this, and we got the correct output as it was asked in previous solution. So thank you. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Bye.